Hello everyone, welcome to class 1 of the AWS for Machine Learning AI and Backend series. In this class, we will learn what is SQS. SQS basically stands for Simple Queue Service. It is a message queue system. It helps one part of your system send messages and another part receive them later. As you see here, Amazon Simple Queue Service SQS fully managed message queuing for microservices, distributed system and serverless application. So what is SQS? SQS stands for Simple Queue Service, which help us to fully manage message queuing for microservices, distributed system and serverless application. So what is SQS? SQS stands for Simple Queue Service. It is a message queue system. It helps one part of our system to send messages and another part receive them later. Imagine you have a website where users upload files. Instead of processing the files immediately, the server can send a message to a queue and a worker can pick it up later and process it. So this is the scenario. Assume this. You have a website where users upload files. Instead of processing the files immediately, the server can send a message to a queue and a worker can pick it up later and process it. So how SQS work? Users upload a files. Your fast API app sends message to SQS saying process the file. A background worker reads the message from SQS and process the file. So how SQS work? SQS work like this. User upload a files on your website. In the backend, you are using fast API. Your fast API sends a message to SQS saying process the file. A background worker reads the message from SQS and process the file. So here question arises, what is the benefits of SQS? The benefits of SQS makes your app asynchronous. Don't wait for response. Means using SQS your task will work on the base of asynchronous, not on the synchronous base. Make your app asynchronous. Don't wait for response. Helps with scalability. Avoid crashes if too many users do something at once. So what are the benefits? The first benefit is to make your app asynchronous. Don't wait for response. Your client not wait for the response. All the things are working asynchronous. This helps us a good impact on the user. The user will not wait for the response. Everything will work asynchronous. Helps with scalability. Your app is scalable using SQS, and using SQS avoids crashes if too many users do something at once. Means too many users uploading a file and this file will have to process it. But using SQS, this will avoid crashes if too many users do something at once.